All right, welcome back to Astronomy Madness Round 2. Today we are tackling the heated Condiments region out of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, with my helpers, Cammie, Lydia, and Violet today back there in the leopard print vest. This is Mr. Krug. Let's go through Round 2. We have had a couple big upsets here, but the only real bracket buster is 12th seeded Lee and Parent Sauce, which took down 5th seeded A1 Steak Sauce in the opening round. Heading into round 2, we've got top seeded Heinz against 8th seeded Yellow Mustard in the ketchup mustard battle everybody has been waiting for. We got Lee and Parents with a +1 going up against Super 4 seed Mayonnaise, also with a +1, acting like a +3. Then we got a true number 3 seed Jif going up against Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Then it's Cocktail Sauce up against 2-seeded Frank's Red Hot in a battle of 2 red condiments who are both going to be down 1 chip. So let's go ahead and get started. Cammie, any thoughts back there on the bracket before we get rolling? Oh, Cammie's calling Cocktail Sauce surviving as a 7 seed. All right, Lydia, you ready to get going here, picking some chips?
Of course.
All right, our first matchup is top-seeded Heinz Ketchup against 8th seeded Yellow Mustard. Now, this is interesting, Lydia, because Yellow Mustard is picking up a chip and Heinz is losing a chip. So instead of 8 chips versus 1, this is going to be 7 chips versus 2. So, Lydia, seven blues for Heinz, 2 pinks for Yellow Mustard.
Okay.
Violet, who are you feeling in this matchup? Are we feeling the ketchup or the mustard?
He says ketchup.
Ketchup? Ketchup all the way back there. All right. Top of the bucket. So far, 1 seed, George Washington, has gone down. Will Heinz survive, or will Lydia start pulling upsets right off the bat? Go for it, Lydia.
Wait,
Top of the bucket. Very top.
Why did you forget pink?
No! Making it rain upsets! Oh my gosh.
Ew, but upset.
Mustard has just defeated ketchup. You heard it here first on Astronomy Madness. Heinz Ketchup just went down. And of course, that pretty much busts my brackets, but that's what Lydia has been doing for a week straight. There's no ketchup left. Cammie? Excellent question. It will not have the +1 for the next round. It only got that because it was facing a 1 seed. Let's think about the math behind that just a little bit.
Let's think about it.
So, Yellow Mustard normally would have only had a 1 out of 9 chance at pulling off this upset. But because it was up 1 chip and then Heinz was down a chip, that actually went up to a 2 out of 9 chance. And so that was enough to pull off a huge upset. Yellow Mustard is moving on. Wow. You may. All right. Will the bracket busters continue? Next up, our only Cinderella story of this region. We had 12th seeded Lee and Parents against 4th seeded Mayonnaise, but they're both picking up a chip. Lydia, we're going to need 13 blue chips for Mayonnaise,
Okay.
and we're going to need 5 pink chips for Lee and Parents.
Okay.
Violet, what do you got?
He says Lee and Parents. I think
All right. So the girls in back at the big board are split on this one. So Mayonnaise is going to be our top seed in blue. Lee and Parents is going to be the underdog in pink. My bracket down here in the lower left is pretty much trash. The only team I have left right now is Jif, and that's coming up next. I am completely nonplussed in this matchup now. I had Heinz winning this one. Oh, hot chip.
Who do you want?
You know what? I'm feeling Mayonnaise for those few people out there that realized it was a good seed and was taking Mayonnaise all the way. Okay, bottom of the bucket, dig as deep as you can. Get down in there. And we got, all right, we got a blue. Mayonnaise is moving on. They are now going to be the favorite in the next round up against Yellow Mustard with a +1. All right, Mayonnaise marching on back there. Okay. This next one I really need, and I know my friend Mr. Brands needs this one. He has got Jif peanut butter going all the way. So this is third-seeded Jif against sixth-seeded Sweet Baby Ray's, who won the Battle of the Barbecue Sauces in round one. No research bonuses. Lydia, this is going to be 6 chips for Jif, 6 blue ones, 3 pink ones for Sweet Baby Ray's. Tammy, back at the big board here. Since Jif has a 6 out of 9 shot at winning this matchup, what percentage does Jif have of moving on? She could do this, Matt. Oh, what does 6 over 9 reduce to fraction-wise? Well, 2/3. So it would have a 66% chance at moving on. And Sweet Baby Ray's has a 33% chance of pulling the upset. Okay, third pick, left-hand side. You got enough chips in here? You never want to be in 6th grade. It's coming someday. Okay, Jif is moving on. That was for you, Damien. That was for you, Mr. Brannis. All right, Jif moving on is the 3 seed. And will it be the highest seed remaining in this region? Last up, we've got 2nd-seeded Frank's Red Hot up against 7th-seeded Cocktail Sauce. And Lydia, they're both down 1 chip. So
Wait, they're both 7-seeded?
No. Frank's is a 2 seed. Okay, Lydia, listen carefully. I'm gonna need 6 blue chips for Frank's Red Hot, 1 pink chip for Cocktail Sauce. So let's just look at the math real quick. Want to check this one? Hold on there, Lydia. Hold on my cell phone. So normally, Cocktail Sauce would have had a 2 out of 9 chance or a 22% chance at pulling the upset. But now it's only going to have a 1 out of 8 chance. That drops it to 12.5%. Those research bonuses almost cut its probability in half. But crazier things have happened in this tournament. All right, Lydia, final pick of this region. Oh, wait, who are you girls feeling back there? All right, they both have Cocktail in the upset. What?
What happens if it's 16 minus 1?
Oh, well, that's not going to happen anymore, but we would add an extra chip. Let's just focus on this pick right now. All right. We'll talk about that later. Okay, right-hand side, final pick of the region. And we got, hot chip. Oh, all right. That means Frank's is moving on. That's going to set up an epic 2-3 battle against Jif in the next round. But Frank's is going to be down a chip, so that's basically straight up even odds. So, Tammy and Violet, take us through our round 2 winners here as we head out today. Who we got left in this region, baby?
Yellow mustard.
Yep.
Mayonnaise.
Yep.
Jif peanut butter.
Yep.
And Frank's Red Hot.
Thank you, ladies. All right. So that means from, oh, where's my music? It's buffering. All right. For Cammie, Lydia, and Violet, this is Mr. Krug. I hope you have enjoyed round 2 in the Condiments region. Peace.
Peace.